I'm really excited. I was planning to see this documentary when it came out. I remember my dad texting me when it got announced, and the fact that we get to see it early is really cool. I thought it was a really great portrayal of a story that I've been following for a really long time. I'm so excited for my friends and family to get to see it.
I think he's like an excellent Davidson success story, somebody who really embodies the spirit of a Davidson student athlete, hard worker, and somebody who gives back to the community.
It's fun for us because it's kind of like a little bit of like our claim to fame, and it's cool that someone from a small school can do something so big and can change the game of basketball, and it's fun for us because it's almost like, okay, like we can do big things too, even though we're at like a small school like Davidson.
He's reached a global audience in a way that no other Davidson graduate really has yet. So it's fun to talk about. It's nice to bring recognition, and I think he sets a good example for Davidson graduates and kind of a ceiling. You never know, someone from our class might be more famous.